Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to play Chainsaw Man uh, testing place. This is kinda like strongest battlegrounds, but it's a different anime and it's from Chainsaw Man. So I played this before and this is actually fun. You can do combos, like you can pick any of those characters on here. But I would prefer the spear for me because how I mastered it. But let's fight, I think. Let's form. Uh, let's quickly fight. I don't want to start a fight, though, but come on, like, guys, hold on, yes, wait, hold on. I think that you can actually train. So let me show you. This is a normal dummy, and like you throw a spear on it, slam, or and launch and spear fire range. So yeah, that's kind of combo. And you throw it again and you slam again. Yeah, you do this. Oh, I missed. Miss. I'm gonna wait for the cooldown. Hold on. So yeah, that's kind of it. So, but I will try some characters. Those characters. Uh, yeah. So yeah, uh, this is a dummy, and go spear rounds, spear barrage, down, and spear drama, and go spear, spear, etc. What the heck? How, bro? Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, you ain't, come on, you ain't defeating me. Oh my god. Okay. Bro, I do not remember the combo. Oh my gosh. This is kinda hard. Hold on. No, 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 no. Hold on. Okay. Oh my god. So, I literally don't know the combo. I forgot. Oh my god. But, eh. Alright, let's play the other characters. Yeah. Why is it? Angel? I never tried Angel. What is this? Hold on. Oh, I'm an angel. Hold on. I'm an angel. Hold on. Hold on. I'm an angel. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Uh, get our job is like, ow! What the? Ow! Hey! My phone's charging. Hold on. Oh my god, bro. I was AFK for a bit. God. Ah, fine. Okay. So I was a bit distracted by that. What the fuck? Oh my gosh. Oh, oh my god. Oh, how do I use this a lot? No, 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 no. No, bro. Oh my god. No way I'm getting kicked out. Hold on. Oh my god. I cannot defeat this. Oh my. Let me play this character, please. I'm not so surprised. Oh my gosh. Oh my. This cannot be serious. Oh my god. Oh my god. This- Oh my, oh my god. I'm telling you. Oh, we're all working. Hold on. Take that. Take it. Take that. Oh, bro, leave me alone, please. No. Baby. Oh, I'm getting my, oh, I'm getting my character cooked, bro. Come on, bro. Touch. Oh my god, hold on. I'm very, oh my god. 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 Oh. 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 Bro, I swear if I see that again, I'm gonna. Oh my god. He just don't want this, okay? Oh my god. Okay, finally, we can test it out. Oh my god. Hey, yes, that's it. Oh, let's say, so, yes. You even do, bro. Come on. You look so. Oh, yeah. This is a dummy. Oh my god. Oh, they don't have a soul. Okay, there's many characters. Oh my god. What's the new one? Marshmallow, what the? Balls Breaker. Okay. What is this? What is that? Who recommended that? The Gun Devil. Okay. So Bullet Tail. Okay, okay, okay. It's kinda cool though. Hold on. Wow. Hold on, how? Hold on. Bullet Tail. Bullet Tail. Oh my god. Reload. Bullet Tail. Can you please? Oh, so I take damage when I reload myself. Okay. Like, please get out. Like, okay. Thank you. I'm testing something here. Okay. Thank you so much. So, hey, please get out. Get the hell out. Okay. So let me test this. So go. No way this guy touched that. No way this guy blocked that. What? Wait, ground impact. Ha! No damage alone. Look at it. First shot. Yeah. Leap shot. Oh. Okay. Ground impact. Head cannon. Oh. Reload. Ah. Combo. I know the combo. Hold on. I know the combo. I just know it. Leap shot. Nah, bro. It's. Dang. Th- This this NPC is too powerful. Dang. So what characters should we try? Uh, Blood. That's power, right? That's power. That's gotta be power. I remember. The fox, there's a fox, there's a first, there's even a chicken. Wow. A stone? Oh, what the? Oh my god, this cheese shop. Oh my god. Come over. I don't want to mess with you, please. There's no wood ever. Okay. Uh, I'm leaving, bro. I'm leaving. What is this? I do not understand enough. What the heck, man? Show weapon. Man, this sucks, bro. Show gun. I do not understand this. What the? Oh my god, bro. That's a grenade, bro. No way you survived that. Hey, I got a gift for you. Yo, yeah. No way. Oh my god, no way. I did that. No way. I blown out the persons. Look, look at them, bro. Yo, I'm bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's kind of funny. So yeah, this is basically the game if you wanna try it out. So yeah, it's kind of fun, like so. Bye bye.